PNO for District Tobacco Control Cell placed in Asilo Hospital in Mapusa. So today we are having this COTPA training for enforcement officers so that we can bring about regulations of the sale and distribution of tobacco products in the state so that we can make a healthier community for the public.
If we don't act now, we will miss the bus, and then आम्ही भुरग्याच्या नावान रडोन कांय फायदो ना. So I would leave with you only with two dates which are coming up soon. एक 15 March, World Consumer Rights Day, 15 March. As a consumer, remember you have a right to safety. This right to remember, and तू त्या चायच्या दुकानात वचून बाबा सांग तू बोर्ड लाय. I am concerned about my safety and my health. Okay? On 31st of May is World No Tobacco Day. Please note this date. You can do a small thing in your department. If you have got a lot of computers, put screensavers, share this message on that day. And then remember 26 June, which is International Day Against Drugs. See, if you just remember these days and yet 3-4 महिने भितर थोडे जर तुमचे ऑफिसान करूंक शकता, whatever assistance you want, you can contact us. The email ID and postal address is on that slip. You can contact Dr. Nandini is there. The tobacco cessation cell is there. Okay, and contact your mamledar of your taluka. Basically, what I'm saying, try to do one or two things. Okay, तुका कितें help जाय, whatever assistance you want, we will be there to support you, to guide you. Just selling a product. So I know people because they search in Margao and other places where we can buy bulk. So why are you buying? The charter tourists are buying this. You can cover your travel air ticket back if you take these packets out. And this information we got first from the inside Davoli Airport. That's why in the last meeting which was held in Margao on 4th at the collectorate, we have highlighted this. So lot of these things we have to do and educate people about it. But any other things that I said like this also. See, if you come across packets like this is another violation. See, no pack warning. So this is the packing they are doing now not to show that there are sachets inside of tobacco. Okay, and very simply we can take action, but if we can report more of these things from your localities. Okay.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.